What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has actually been on a tear right now. It's down around 2% today, and overall on the week it is down quite significantly. If we take a look here, it is down since Sunday of last week to Sunday today. It's down around 10 to 12%, around 11%. So yeah, not the best week for Bitcoin. Again, we had a main resistance level which we didn't break past. We didn't create a higher high, and we actually broke this higher low that we created here. So now it looks like we're entering another downtrend. I also have some heat maps to show you guys today, which are very interesting, and it will indicate more so of where we can expect Bitcoin to go. So we've established a downtrend now on Bitcoin. I think it's more so a reaccumulation phase rather than the beginning of a bear market again, because we are still early into the bull market. We have just had the Bitcoin halving a few months ago, and obviously it's sort of a lagging indicator. The Bitcoin halving, we'll have a huge hype up before the halving, causing rallies in the market, and then we get the halving and it's quite anticlimactic. A lot of people expect the halving to cause the pump, but what actually causes the pump is people buying Bitcoin. If everyone is just expecting a pump and they buy before the expectation, and then nobody's buying when the halving happens, obviously there's not going to be a huge pump. And I think that's what a lot of people forgot. So after the halving, it got hyped up. I think that's what has initially caused this now downtrend. Apologies also for the messy chart, but hopefully it is still clear what is going on. So yeah, we've started this new downtrend, and until we break through, we will be trending down. We will have to find some new areas to dollar cost average in at. But we also have this red area here, which I have displayed, which is sort of our selling order block, or supply zone, if you will. Obviously we go above it a bit, but overall this area is where we would need to initially break through to go back into price discovery and reach a new all-time high. So this is the main area we're going to be looking to break, of course, as well as this higher right here. But if we take a look at the heat maps, that will show you something very interesting. So here we have the 7-day heat map, and as you can see, we had a lot of liquidations at this low right here, which we have now cleared on the 7-day, and we have a few liquidations building up at 65k. So overall on the 7-day, quite good signs. I think we may consolidate here. There's not any liquidations very high up, so there's no reason for us to really see a massive trend in the opposite direction of what we're in now, and there's not really a massive incentive for us to dip much more below until we go on the higher time frame heat map right here of the 1 month. So you can see here on the 1 month how it is looking. We don't have a lot of liquidations up above. We have ranging from 0.6 to 0.8 area, just above the highs of 65k. But if we look below, we have a lot of liquidations building up. Just below 55k, I'd say this is around 54k, and also below 50k, which would be a very big fall, over 10% from where we're at right now. And that's below this current low right here, which I'll show you on the charts as well. So this is what we have on the higher time frame heat map. It does look like we will head to these levels in the coming month. I think for until Q4 at least, so for the entire of September, it will be a bit of a bloodbath. I think the main catalyst of this year, or the remaining catalyst of this year, will be the election. Again, we really need DJT to win for a massive catalyst to boost up crypto again, because he is very pro crypto. I don't think Kamala is as pro crypto as he is. Only time will tell. Obviously, I don't know who's going to win the election, but it isn't looking amazing for DJT yet. But yeah, we will see. So if we go back on the chart again, sorry, I shouldn't have deleted this. Just below this low right here is where we have a lot of liquidations, and at around 54k. So this low right here is what we would need to clear out before we look to head higher, which is going to be roughly a 16% drop. So quite a big drop, which means I wouldn't be looking to dollar cost average in around this area at all. I'd start to look to dollar cost average in from 51 to 47,000-ish, somewhere around there. Again, these liquidation levels aren't necessarily perfect, because as you know, once we have any sort of volatility in the market, a lot of FOMO occurs, and that will cause prices to jump up a bit higher and lower. So even though this is right around the liquidation area, we may dip slightly below. So I wouldn't look for any leveraged longs and leveraged shorts. I think a low leverage short wouldn't be the worst possible scenario if you can target an entry somewhere, you know, on the highs. I think that would be quite a low risk trade. But overall, we're going to be looking to dollar cost averaging somewhere around here. And yeah, that is our plan for Bitcoin. If you want more coins that I'm trading, if you want to copy my exact long-term portfolio, everything like that, then check out the Discord down below. Also check out the exchange links down below. We have the best deposit rewards on the entirety of YouTube. So thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Thank you and goodbye.